Hello, Adorians. This is Romel. Welcome to another episode of Inside Story. Kicking off this podcast series, we have with us Mr. G.L. Verma, plant head Raipur, who's a veteran at Ador. His ability to lead, plan, coordinate, and control the manufacturing processes ensure products are produced efficiently and to a high standard. Welcome, Mr. Verma, to this podcast.
Hi Romil, and thanks for inviting me.
Verma ji, tell us a bit about yourself and your team.
I joined Ador in September 93 as a process controller. Prior to this, I completed my graduation in science and post-graduation in computer science. Today, as the head of Raipur plant, each and every operational decision related to people and production comes under my domain.
Excellent. So how does the day of a plant head begin at Raipur?
As usual, day inside Raipur plant begins with me first having my rounds on the shop floor, which leads to toolbox meeting with operators and shift in charges, followed by PPC meeting with all HODs.
Okay, have you received an order with a stringent deadline? How have you gone about executing it? There must have been a lot of tricks in the trade.
There are many, but let me highlight one for you. We had an export order of 300 metric ton which needed to be shipped to Bangladesh within a very short notice. The challenge here was to manage our domestic order as well as ensure the completion of this export order without disturbing any. To ensure this, we run our batching plant in 3 shifts with our operators and even me supervising and sometimes even managing the SCADA operation to ensure completion within the stipulated time.
That speaks volumes about your commitment. Of course, Vermaji, I'm sure there would be days where everything goes wrong. How are such situations dealt with?
Romel, there is an old saying, when things get tough, the tough get going. On days where nothing seems to fall in place, my team, which I am very proud of, stand up to the occasion, finds avenues, possibilities, solutions, and ensure that we win at the end of the day.
What are some of the best practices in manufacturing followed at Ador?
Raipur is an IMS certified plant. We at Raipur try to be consistent. Consistent here is the key. Consistent with the quality of raw materials, in-process inspections, inventory management, customer-oriented service, and vendor management.
Vermaji, there would have been 1,000 of times when your idea would improve a process. What kind of an impact did it have?
My track record and process knowledge lead Ador to train me a Six Sigma Green Belt. On completion, the newly gained knowledge helped me further optimize productivity in wet drying, further improve quality consistency in MIG wire, and reduce the tolerance for length variation in electrodes. This improvement implemented then even today bear fruits for Ador.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Verma. It's been a pleasure speaking with you.
Thanks, Rome, for having me.
I'm sure our listeners will enjoy this and learn from your experience. This will further help us in creating the best welding experience.